What's the word, YouTube? What's up, my wavers? What's up, my peoples? What's up, my community? It's your boy G-Baby6 with another episode for you guys. This episode is for my wavers though. When you do washing style, you know, most of us sometimes we don't know what product to use, especially if you're a beginner. This is specific for beginners. If you're in the process of being an elite waver or you want to learn more, you should watch this video. I'll give you a couple of tips and I'll let you know how I do my washing style. So this is afterwards, you know what I'm saying? This is after you do the washing style, you know what I'm saying, where your hair is dry and you want to moisturize it and you want to get that silky shine. You're stepping outside, you know what I'm saying, things like that. What I use for my washing style and after the washing style is these two products right here. You could cop this any beauty supply, your favorite store. It don't matter. Some of the stores they have it, some don't. I use this one right here, Apple Hollow, and then I use this one. You will cop this. You know what I'm saying? This one, I like this one more. I'll tell you why. And I'm gonna read the instructions and what it does. It says vital oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp, which means if you see right there, that's what we do, right? We try to maintain your scalp from being dry, and after that, you know what I'm saying, help you for the damaged hair, you know, because when you comb and you brushing, the hair it broke, you know what I'm saying? So this help you to repair your hair. It says it on top too. It said to repair your hair, and it smells good. This is the one that you do drips. This is the drip, and this is the drip. So, you know what I'm saying? This help you with the damaged hair in your scalp for being dry. And this one has avocado, almonds, and I think bergamot oils with coconut and aloe, which is, you can see the picture right here. So this is all natural products right here, okay? I don't use a lot of Maury's and, you know, 360 style. I use 360 style when I'm wolfing, you know what I'm saying? Because you want to keep that thick layer of hair down. But this is what I do. So I washed my hair yesterday. I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna show you how I apply it. So all you gotta do is a soft brush. You could use this one. You could use this brush. This is extra softy right here. I like curves because you know what I'm saying, the powder that I have requires a curved brush. You could use a regular brush, you just gotta use the tip. The reason why I chose the curve, because I got the tip. Since I got a swirl, I don't got a beehive, it's easier for me. So what you gotta do is, you wanna mix the product. If you got this or whatever you have, if you wanna cop this, you could go, I cop this in Walmart. So you could go to Walmart, you could go to any beauty supplies around your block, you know what I'm saying, and you could look for this. Once again, I'm gonna show you, if you guys wanna screenshot it, then this one, if you wanna screenshot, you could take a screenshot and get it. So I'm gonna do a small section. I'm gonna apply it with my hands, of course, and then I'm gonna do a small section with the brush, and then I'm gonna do the plastic bag to get that extra layer for my frizzy hair. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. You don't have to OD with it, you know what I'm saying? Just scoop up a couple of drops and that's it. So you see, that's enough because I'm mixing it with the other one. Okay, they both mix, so want to rub it in your hands. Look at my hands. Okay, I always do the first 3 angles, which is this one, this one, this one, with one hand, and then with the other hands I use the back because I like to see where I'm putting my products. I don't want to create a fork. Okay. I make sure everything is in my head, you know what I'm saying? I do like a small section with my hands. You see, there's nothing there. Now what I do, I go to the back. You see, I make sure I get that oil around my crown. Okay, after that, if you want, you can wash your hands. Like me, I do a little I clean my hands because the reason why I don't want the powder to get on me on my brushes. You know what I'm saying? Since you always using your brush, you don't want the oil to get in your palms, you know? But right after that, let me clean my hands a little bit. After that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna do a light section, you know what I'm saying? Light section brushing. Make sure you distribute the oil all the way down to your scalp. Because your hair, you know, after you do a washing style, it gets dry a little bit. Even though I always apply oil every time I do washing style, but that's why I get my silky hair. That's why a lot of you guys be asking me like how I get my hair like that to be so silky. That's what I do. I put the oil before I rag up. I put the oil, so when I take my do-rag off, it looks silky. So I rinse my hair. I don't rinse my hair too much because I don't want the oil to go away. But as long as the soap is out, when I see no soap coming out, that's it. I start washing my hair. By the way, I'm using the tip right here. I'm not using the whole brush. Okay. By the way, that's my washing machine. I'm washing clothes. Today's my day off, so I'm washing clothes. I'm saying a little crown section. Always change your hands, okay? Don't get used to one hand. All right. Always show love to your crown too, okay? You gotta show love to your crown too. Right? Ready. Right? Do a small section, okay? Make sure everything is distributed. Alright, after that, you want to do another light section of the plastic bag to get that extra lay. I call it the cheat code, you know what I'm saying? Because plastic bag, it works a lot, so it works for me. So let me get the bag real quick. There are you. Back here. This is my boy right here, you know what I'm saying? Help me out. Been with this plastic bag for a couple of months, even the letters faded. So you do a light section. Make sure you look at your angles, because the plastic bag is going to give you that extra lace, so you want to make sure that everything is running smooth. You don't want to create a foil, because after this you're going to put your do-rag on. So you need that. Always change your hands, okay? Don't stay stuck in one hand. When you're using the plastic bag, you gotta be really detailing. Don't brush it. Don't go like it. Don't do that. Take your time. You gotta see what you're doing. Because after you put that rag up, whatever you left behind and you didn't do it the right way, that's the results you're gonna get after you take your do-rag off. So you gotta be really precise with it. And take your time with it. Boom. All right. Boom. You can see now. You get the extra lay with it. After you put the do-rag and you put the crown patch, it's game over. Plastic bag is always good, man. This plastic bag right here will help you a lot to get that frizzy hair down. You know what I'm saying? It helps. That's why I call it a cheat code. You know what I'm saying? It give you a boost. All right. So you gotta do. This is what you do after you come out of work. You know what I'm saying? You did a washing style and your hair is dried. You're trying to moisturize it. You could use moisturized butter if you want. You could use pomade. Whatever decision you make is cool. You know what I'm saying? I support you 100. But if you're trying to avoid, you know what I'm saying, all these chemical products, I suggest you go natural products. Because natural product, you don't have, you could say one of these products carry like 90% chemicals. At least products gonna give you at least, you know what I'm saying, give you 10-15% less chemicals. So the less chemicals you use in your hair is better for you, you know what I'm saying? So if you're a beginner and if you're on the wave game, you could start with 360 style. I use it when I'm wolfing. You could start with Morris, which is everybody know that product. That's legendary. And but after that, update yourself. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You gotta take care of your hair. So after that, you be like, okay, listen, I'm done with this. I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm gonna go to the organic way. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get some natural product, something that is better for your hair. You're taking care of your hair. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, it's you. You know what I'm saying? So when you take that do-rag off and your hair looks silky, looks nice, and you don't got all that nasty product on you, all that chemicals, you're gonna feel good yourself. Okay, so just listen to my advice, take knowledge of it, and put it to practice. Okay, it's your boy AJ Wavy 6. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna keep dropping flames. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.